I'm really excited for our next craft. They're going to be some spooky spider webs, okay? You're gonna need glitter, glue, and any type of paper. Okay, even Kelsey's excited to make these, okay? They're gonna be really fun. So again, any color paper you want, any type of glitter, and some glue, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get your glue and you're gonna start at the top corner of your paper, okay? You're gonna make a straight line with your glue all the way to the other side, okay? You don't want it to be too thick. And then you're gonna make a couple more lines coming out of that top corner again, all the way across your page. Make them nice and big. Okay, once you have all your lines made, you're gonna start making the letter N in between each line, okay? So they look like little humps. So again, the letter N right between each glue line. Okay, you're gonna go all the way until you reach the bottom of your page. And look at that. So you have your spider web, okay? Next, you're gonna do some glitter, okay? Any color you want. Today I'm gonna start with green right at the top. Maybe some black. Some orange. Some purple. Once all the glue is covered, go ahead and find the nearest trash can. Careful not to spill. Dump all the glitter right into the trash. And then you have your glitter spider web, okay? All right, see you next time.